is really, like I make sure that it will look the way I expected it. So I'm always hands-on. I'm always hands-on, and I'm teaching, the cutter, how to do this. Even the embroidery man, I'm teaching them, like this is how to do this one, and this one.
Yeah. This is amazing. This is for wedding, right?
It could be for wedding.
Party
It
dress.
could be for, party. It depends. And this one, this is not a wire. This is actually what's this?
Paper. Oh,
Like
it's kind of.
I call it crumpled. For example, this one I make for example I make a band or piping. So from it, I just do it like this, fold it like that, and then it looks like this. It looks like with this you cannot appreciate, but once it's full, you will see the beauty of it. Actually, I was able to create one abaya out of this, but we are not allowed to take a picture. So I can say that I already got 12 orders from that, and we spent only like let's say we spent like less than 250, and we sell it for 3,900 something like that, and you see how much you're getting from it. And then with this kind of creation, and I was actually inspired by sometimes I saw people that I put it in my wallet. And when I opened it, I saw and I loved the way it looks. And I said, oh, maybe it will look good. So I tried. I even make abayas like ripped. And I don't stitch the edge. I just leave it like that and put a zipper in it.
Natural.
And that's it, yes.
And we've definitely got an eye for talent, for art.
So this one, this is it could be the crumpled
the paper.
crumpled band or piping, or it could also be done with lace and wire. Like for
Sound
example,
really nice.
actually, we don't expect here people to buy this because it's new in their eyes. Like they will say that how can I wear this like this? But it is another catching attention. Like, oh my God, these people can do this one. So they will start to say, how will it be if it's just pure lace?
To elaborate on that and just follow on more designers, isn't it?
This one is all wool. This is combination of because sometimes there is a hard tool. We call it they call it here gibbon. That is usually used just inside the wedding dresses because they are hard and they serve as the
The shape.
put the puffy shape. So I was thinking okay, it's been hidden for a long time. Why don't we try to make use of this, showing to the people that it can be worn? So it's combination of soft tool and hard tool. Like from the softest up to the hardest.
He knows a lot about fabrics. He's creating his own fabrics. Yeah, it's like a creativity, right? New fabrics.
Ways to show you the
Yeah, like it's not usable, but you're using.
Yeah.
That's the creation,
I used to search for fabric that everybody loves.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go for this. I'll transform into this.
Wow.
That's yes.
This combination of lace to
This is nice.
this dress is actually it looks like a dress, but actually it's pants.
My God, really? I mean, this
Yeah.
size is like,
Yeah.
tiny would be
Yeah.
wow. That's good, huh?
It's like a, like a lace on the upper part, stretch lace that she can wear it. And if she wants to look very sexy and very youthful, she has to remove this and it becomes short dress.
I like it.
This one, this is made of wire and only tool, just wire. The way I did the
Wool is wire.
Yeah. This is wire, and this is tool. It's just a matter of pleating and we can call this, if we're going to make a collection out of this, we can call the collection folded and twirled. Because we just fold and then twirl.
Is there a way to take some of these concepts and turn them into ready to wear? Is there a way to take these, because these are couture dresses, so they'll take you a week to do, and they're nice. They're probably not their sell, but like you say, it's inspiration. People will see it, and it gives the rest of your collection some kind of pronounce. But can you take some of these inspirations and turn them into ready to wear, so that it's not, so that you can do it in a factory and do it?
More pieces, right?
Yeah,
Like
so
one design is a lot.
Yeah, so take kind of the idea.
It's a good
That's what he
idea.
said. That's what he
It's a
said.
good
He does.
idea.
That's what he does.
That's-
Because they're all good,
Yeah.
but they're not commercial. So
Yeah.
see, you're the creative person,
Yeah.
and we're business people.
Yeah,
Business
yeah.
is about the this, but it's also about the money.
Yeah.
And so this is not a. I mean, it's beautiful,
Yeah.
and it'll help the image of the collection, but it's not good for selling. But the idea, the concept, all this stuff is beautiful and so forth. So if you can turn it into something ready to wear, maybe it's, I don't know, maybe it's not so flowy, maybe it's here, I don't know, maybe take some of it, and then figure out how to mass produce. Then it's good business and creative.
I got it this one. This is removable.
Yeah. Oh, good work.
So remove it,
yeah.
and it's just
I
plain.
mean, this part, right?
Yeah.
It's like something from the west. Huh?
We have.
Because sometimes out of this, will give birth short dresses, collection of short dresses, collection of pants, but one inspiration. This one, this is compound. You want to show you? Like flowers.
It's good, huh? Yeah, this is.
This one has to be done in one kit. First, we have to make the basic, and then we do this. Then after that, we will cover it with the fabric.
Chiffon.
No, I prefer here, like a sateen, vinyl sateen. It could also be chiffon if the one who wants it is, having problem with the weight. Because sometimes it's nice to combine it. For example, this one, I'm gonna make it from the raw silk material. And this I'm going to use here soft material. It could be chiffon, it could be organza, it could be tulle. But if I'm going to use here tulle, then I'm going to use here hard fabric.
So did you go to a design school or were you self-taught?
I really don't have formal education
Just
in
soft.
fashion designing. I just studied. I just studied alone.
Yes, you drop out high school. Like me.
Where you from? Where you from is where you're at.
This is inspired by a lamb. Lamb. You know, lamb.
Lamp, yeah.
Lamb, and then this shape.
Yeah.
So we used to create this with those who have bigger hips and
Yeah.
for those who lacks hips, but they have very thin waistline. So this is combination of lace and this tulle, and then here it could be silk, it could be chiffon, or it could even be a cotton, this voile, cotton voile, yeah, that one.
So here's another question. So can you like, Andy has some ideas and some concepts we just put together. Can you work with someone else and collaborate?
Yeah,
So,
yeah,
so, so,
we've done
so,
that.
so right now, this is your thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So right now, if this is your thing, you can work with somebody else and kind of put something together and say, it doesn't have to be all yours.
Yeah, I could, because I could, with this, I only believe that 2 heads or more heads is better, it's always better than one. Because sometimes this is just my idea, this is my perception, this is my visualization. But sometimes, because, you've been biased yourself, and you say, yeah, it's good. You need somebody to criticize,
somebody.
tell you that no one will wear this. It's just you and your close friend. So you have to maximize, or you have to modify. So I need somebody, who could tell me in all honesty without hurting, without hurting my
feelings. Because you are an artist.
Yeah.
What's the name? It says, I'm an artist and I'm sensitive about my shit. You didn't know that line, right?
That's what I'm saying.
No, who's that says that? Angela, but Erykah Badu.
Erykah Badu.
You never heard that song? I'm an artist, so I'm sensitive about my shit. You never heard it?
Oh, probably have done. Probably actually in.
This is wire, just wire. Just two plain, let's say two plain fabrics, and then just put together and just a simple drape. Then you never see any edge. Then you'll never see any edge, like that one. You will see there's a hemline. You never see a hemline. Because the secret there is you make the lining short. You cut it short. You cut it longer, like let's say 7 inches longer. Then you attach both, and it will come out like that. So like like you're wondering like how do you do this? Simple, but with belt. Still, it's wire.
That could be raised to wear.
Yeah, that's it.
Without
Standard.
Okay, this one, the next is all tool by Weavers.
That's what he liked actually. Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See,
Showed you, yeah.
yeah.
My inspiration here
That's
is
it.
Japanese warrior.
Oh, is it?
Wow, that's
Japanese
Japanese warrior.
Yeah, but this, it's transformed into tool, all tool. And then these are laces. Because women are really crazy about it.
Laces, yeah. Laces, lens laces.
And this one, this is combination of, I don't know how you call it. You know this plastic cellophane?
Yeah.
Not the cellophane. This usually used for covering the books,
Oh, right, yeah.
for
Something.
raincoats.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a combination of a very thin fabric, and inside is a plastic. And this is actually like feathers and then plastics. You just cut it and combine them with wires, with lace. Should be worn like this. But for the fashion show, yeah, you can.
Fashion show.
Yeah.
This is like a leading of fashion show, right?
Yeah. You remove, and this is what's
It's
left.
the key
This
dress
is-
for the fashion show. Like, someone in the middle, right? It's going in the middle there.
This one. Still the one.
Still the wear to tighten the legs.
Still the one.
I don't know how, is that practical to walk in?
This one?
Oh, this is open.
No, it's not. It's really close, but you can walk because we're going to use their stretch. Or we're
It's not
going-
like tights.
yeah, or it's actually, the shape of this is actually your A-line, big A-line. Then you're going to gather it. You have to stitch it with elastic, and when you walk,
Flexibility.
Yeah, it's fine.
Do you have any pictures of, you may come back to this later, of stuff that you've taken from concept to finish?
Oh, like,
I mean, when you're ready, but just things that you finished, like you have the drawings and then the actual dress. Do you have some pictures?
Actual dress. Like this
I
is
have the actual dress. This is here.
You can come to it later. I just-
We'll check later. And this one, this is a cake.
Yeah.
And then, like, let's say this is a silk. And then inside, we're going to use, like, printed fabric. It's facing. You're going to stitch them, like facing each other. So no stitches will be seen there, just here. And then this is a simple dress, but the drama is here on the cake. And this one I am inspired by, like Louis Vuitton hats.
Yes.
So they have
it's a belt.
yeah, it's a belt actually. Like simple but very elegant.
It's ready to go.
Yeah. It's ready to wear. Finish.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.